let's see this question. This is a very good question. In this question, a model rocket fired from the ground ascends with a constant upward acceleration. A small bolt is dropped from the rocket 1 second after the firing, and the fuel of the rocket is finished 4 seconds after the bolt is dropped. Air time of the bolt is 2 seconds. Acceleration of free fall is 10 meters per second square. Which of the following statement is correct? So basically in the option we have to tell about the acceleration of the rocket while ascending, at what height the fuel would finish, what would the maximum speed of the rocket during the flight, and total air time of the rocket. That are all the things that are asked. So this is the ground level, and now this rocket, this R is a rocket. It start from rest, that is moment is t is equal to 0. Its acceleration is say a. So that's what model rocket fired from the ground ascend with a constant upward acceleration a. 1 second after 1 second. After 1 second, rocket has come here. The velocity of rocket has become v, and its acceleration is a. At this moment, a bolt is dropped. Before that, the rocket has say ascended a distance h. By this time t is equal to 1 second. Now a bolt is dropped. So because it is just dropped, so bolt would acquire the velocity of that rocket at that moment. So at t is equal to 1 second, bolt is dropped. It will have the same velocity as the rocket was having at this moment. And now it is moving with under gravity. So acceleration of the bolt would be g, downward. After the firing, the fuel of the rocket is finished 4 seconds after the bolt is dropped. Fuel of the rocket is finished 4 seconds after the bolt. We'll see that rocket later. Now let's see this thing. Air time of the bolt is 2 seconds. Acceleration of the free fall is 10 meters. So air time of the bolt. So bolt goes up and comes down. So that is the whole time the bolt is in air. So that whole time is 2 seconds. So at t is equal to 1 second, it was dropped, and its air time is 2 seconds. So the time of the moment when it reaches the ground would be 3 seconds. And fuel of the rocket is finished 4 seconds after bolt is dropped. So at this moment bolt was dropped. So after 4 seconds the fuel would end. So mean at t is equal to 5, its fuel would end. Till the fuel is there, it would be moving with the same acceleration a. So at this is the t is equal to 5. So its acceleration is there, velocity is increasing. So here the fuel is ended. The fuel is ended. Because of the fuel, the engine is working, so it is accelerating upward. So speed is increasing. Beyond that, the acceleration would be downward. So at this moment, the speed is maximum. After that, it will go up and then come down. So that is a moment t is equal to 5, v is max. And suppose height here is say h dash, and then under gravity it will go, and then say at t is equal to capital T, it will fall to the ground. So this is the situation. Now see, let's go to next page. So first of all, let's see this velocity. This is the moment t is equal to 1. Till that it was moving with the acceleration a. So this v is equal to u plus at, a is 1, so v is equal to a. And also h for the second equation from here to here. S is equal to ut plus half at square, u is 0, t is 1, a is a, time is 1, so that h is a by 2. And for this bolt, I will apply the second equation. I can take the upward direction positive. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Time of fall is 2 seconds. T is equal to 1. It was started falling, and t is equal to 3 seconds. It reaches the ground. So time of motion of bolt is 2 seconds. So for the bolt from here to here, second equation, S, taking upward direction positive, S is minus h. And initial velocity is plus v. And acceleration is minus 10. So minus h is equal to SB is minus h, u is a v, and time is t, half minus 10 into a square. So this is minus h, and just put it here. So v is a, so this a, so that is a 2a, and that is minus 20. And this again write everything in terms of h. This h was a by 2, so that is a minus a by 2 is equal to 2a minus 20, so that whole thing would be this would be 5a by 2 there, and minus 5 by 2, so my 5a by 2 is 20, so a would come out to be 8. So the acceleration of this rocket has come out to be, from this information, 8 meter per second square. And now this h dash, this is the height where the speed was maximum. From here to here the time taken was 5 seconds. So we can write in acceleration we've got. So this, for this h dash equal to ut plus half at square, u is 0, so half into 8 into 5 square, so that would be 100 meter. And v max, from here to here we can apply the first equation, v is equal to u plus 80, u is 0, a is equal to 8, and time is 5, so maximum speed of the rocket would be 40 meter per second. And now here this v max we got, and goes up. After that, when it reaches to this h dash height, the fuel stops, fuel ends. So now the rocket would move under gravity. Already it has acquired some v max velocity, h dash we also know. So from that we can get the time of fall, this extra time. From here to here we can find this, how much time it takes from this moment to this moment. So that again we can get from the second equation. V max was 40 obtained, h dash was 100 meter obtained. So from here to here apply a second equation using the upward direction positive. So s equal to ut plus half at square, s is equal to minus h dash, minus h dash mean minus 100, u is equal to plus v max, that is a 40, a is obviously minus 10. So put all this thing, minus 100, 40, this time is from here to t naught, plus half minus 10 into t naught square. This is quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation to get answer 10 and minus 2. We'll take the positive answer. So total time from the moment it is projected upwards till it reaches the ground, from here to here time taken is 5 seconds, and from here to here time taken is 10 seconds. So total time would be 15 seconds. So we obtained these things. So acceleration of the this A is correct, and this B was also correct, C is also correct, and D is also correct. So all the 4 options are correct.